Hello, thank you for watching the video. Today I've got an Alligator Lopper. This is the LP1000 Black & Decker electric. Just bought this used and I don't have a manual. First thing I wanted to do though was to change or put a new blade on here, a new chainsaw blade. So that's what we're going to do today. And I've looked it over slightly. Don't know exactly how to do this yet, but I think we're going to figure it out. And hopefully it'll be helpful. If you don't have a manual, maybe you have one of these as well. So let's get started. Okay, so we've got two cover nuts here. These are 13 millimeter. Now I'm trying to find a way to get these jaws or guards to stay open. I can't find a way to do that at all. So I'll put the Lopper in a different position here. Open the jaws up, and as you can see, just put a can, something in there to keep this lower jaw open as far as I can. Now I could use a little more room, but I think we'll be okay. I'm going to have to use my other hand to hold this one open. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and open my new blade, and that's an Oregon. This is a 6-inch blade. Okay, so for removing see how I can push the bar up and down. Alright, I've got it pushed all the way down. And I've got the new one already set so that I'll know exactly how to put it on. You go ahead and do it from the back, the clutch. Pushing it down again. Arm's probably blocking your view. Alright, pushing it down. It's kind of awkward trying to hold this back, push it down, and put the blade in the bar in the grooves there. Almost there. All right, first time, a little longer. And probably it will be next time I do it, but yeah, so it's already set itself, which is pretty cool. It's already set itself self-adjusting like it says that it is. And so yeah, we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and put the cover back on. So we'll go ahead and remove the can here. And let's put it back in the position that we had it in to begin with before we put our cover on. All right, we're going to tighten these down. So yeah, I really like the idea about the self-adjusting blade. It's pretty cool. We should be good now. Let's go ahead and try it out. Here we are trying out the Lopper for the first time. I think I'm going to try to cut some of this stuff down here. Now I did add some bar oil, brought it up to level right in here. So let's get started on this. So Black & Decker, that's the LP1000 4.5 amp chainsaw with jaws. It's almost like having someone hold a moving branch for you while you cut it with a chainsaw. It's got a pretty safe feature here where you have to have both your hands pulling the handles here before it will activate. And yeah, I didn't have any trouble with it. I thought it was pretty good. I think I'm definitely going to keep using this. I got a lot more work to do with this. So one of the main things I especially liked about it is you can move it at any angle and just grab, you know, a bunch of seedlings or vines at one time and just lop them right off. So yeah, pretty impressive, I think. Guess that'll be it. Thank you for watching the video. Till next time, have a great day. Take care.